Hanging leg raise. So for my hanging leg raise, I have a pull-up bar here. You can also use rings as well. All right. So first level on my hanging leg raises, I'm just going to bring my knees in towards my chest. So it looks like this. I'm hanging, my palms facing forward, my grips about shoulder width apart. I want to do my hanging leg raises in dead hang. So dead hang, active hang. I want to use my anterior chain, so the front of my body, for my hanging leg raises. So hanging, level 1, knees to chest. 1, 2. Level 2, legs straight coming into an L. 1, 2. And level 3, we'll go toes all the way to the bar. 1, 2, 3. That's the hanging leg raise.